Hello everyone, this is Inderpreet. As we have already started the writing skills, and previously we have done with the essay writing. I hope you got that idea that how to write an essay. Same is the case with paragraph. In essay writing, we write 3-4 paragraphs, but in paragraph writing, we only write one paragraph, and in that one paragraph, we write all about that one particular topic. So today, I'm going to take a new topic for our 11th class students. This topic is very, very, very important, as you can see that this personal email, this is of 4 marks. Today I'm going to talk about on the basis of your board examination, and this टॉपिक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्यों? क्योंकि ये 4 नंबर का आएगा ही आएगा इन योर राइटिंग स्किल्स. सो इन पर्सनल ईमेल, सबसे पहले तो यू हैव टू कंसीडर द क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन. द क्वेश्चन इज नॉट ईमेल, इट इज personal email. When it is personal email, which means it is about your friends, your relatives, or your parents. You will write this email to your friends, to relatives, or to parents. That is why it is personal. And if it is only email, then it is to anyone. It is to colleges, universities, schools, any department. But in your syllabus, we have personal email. So बेटा ध्यान से इस चीज़ को समझेंगे. And once you get the idea, once you understand, you need not to cram it. Fine. जो भी क्वेश्चन राइटिंग स्किल के खास तौर पे जो भी क्वेश्चन फॉर्मेट रिलेटेड होते हैं, उसमें क्वेश्चन जो मार्क्स है, that is bifurcated. For example, this question is of 4 marks. So mind this thing that 1.5 marks is for format, and rest 2.5 marks is for body. Now body means the content you have. So let's start with the email. So let's say आपको email लिखना है अपने friend को to invite her on your birthday. So for birthday celebration, this is the question you have for this email. Birthday celebration, fine? For birthday celebration, you need to write 4 things. First, you have to write the date. Second, you have to write the day. You have to write the venue and the time. This is very important. When you are inviting anyone on your birthday, on your sister's marriage, on your mother, on your parents' anniversary, whatever it is, when you are inviting someone, so you have to consider date, day, venue and time most importantly. आपको ये लिखना ही लिखना है. So now let's get back to our format. So what to write first? आपको सबसे पहले यहाँ पे लिखना है कि आप भेज रहे हैं. तो कौन भेज रहा है? From. किसको भेज रहे हैं? To. And then there is CC. I will let you know what is this. Then you have to write date and then subject. Now let us talk about what are these. From कौन भेज रहा है? अब as it is email, electronic mail, and आपको भी पता है emails किस में होती हैं? IDs में. So you have to write the email address, your ID address. For example, if the name is given in the question, you have to write the name. And if nothing has been given, like there is no name of yours, no name of your friend, then you have to write X, Y, Z or ABC. write your name. You should not write the name of yours, क्योंकि वो might be discrepancy हो सकती है in your board examinations. So you have to write xyz@gmail.com. This is you. And then जिसको आपने भेजनी है, that is abc@gmail.com. And then CC. Now here's CC. What is CC? It is carbon copy. Carbon copy of what? It is the carbon copy of the attachments. Whatever attachments you want to attach. For example, if you have to attach a photograph, you have to attach a document, you have to attach a video, whatever you want to attach, it comes here. So we write it CC, but we keep it empty. हम इसको खाली छोड़ते हैं, but इसको लिखना जरूरी है. Why? Because it is the part of the email. Then is date. Which date? जिस डेट पे आप इसको लिख रहे हैं, for example today's date, then it is 31st July 2025. Kindly write your date in this manner. 31st. अब वो छोटे बच्चों वाली 31/7/25. Kindly do not write such kind of date. This is how kindly don't write. So write, this is how. 31st July 2025. And now subject. What is the subject? Simple. Invitation on birthday. So in subject we have to write what this email all about. Fine. So subject, very concise, very precisely you have to write the subject. Like I have written invitation on birthday. So beta, let us recapitulate. हमने किया क्या, फॉर्मेट क्या है. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है इसमें दिस पैराग्राफ. Then you have to divide this paragraph into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine. And then you have to, this we will talk about later on. But पहले आपको फॉर्मेट पता होना चाहिए, क्योंकि फॉर्मेट के अलग से डेट नंबर है. तो फ्रॉम जिसने लिखा, टू जिसको आप भेज रहे हैं, CC will be empty. Date जिस दिन लिख रहे हैं, सब्जेक्ट इनविटेशन ऑन बर्थडे, व्हाटएवर द क्वेश्चन, इनविटेशन ऑन बर्थडे, इनविटेशन ऑन सिस्टर्स मैरिज, इनविटेशन ऑन पेरेंट्स एनिवर्सरी, और व्हाटएवर द इनविटेशन अबाउट, और व्हाटएवर रिलेटिव्स, आपने अपने किसी रिलेटिव को थैंक यू करना है, आपको कोई गिफ्ट दिया उन्होंने, या व्हाटएवर. पेरेंट्स, अपने पेरेंट्स से आपने कुछ चीज़ें मंगवानी है, आप बोर्डिंग स्कूल में हैं, तो वट एवर द क्वेश्चन. सो ऑन दीज क्वेश्चंस व्हाट यू हैव टू राइट, यू हैव टू राइट अ छोटा सा बिल्कुल प्रिसाइज subject. So I hope in this video you get to know what is the format, and now in my next video I will talk about how to write the content, how to write the body. Thank you. God bless you.